We're delighted to introduce IMPACT Dentures, Quoris3D's denture range, now available to dental clinics across the UK and Ireland. Whether you're embracing digital workflows or prefer the familiarity of traditional impressions, IMPACT Dentures provides a modern, flexible and predictable solution.
You can now submit your cases to the lab for full or partial dentures, immediates, duplicate dentures and repairs with relines and additions, with a choice of finishes, customization options, and you can opt for analogue or digital records for most products.
Plus, we will be adding to the range of options with Overdentures on Locators, bar-retained Overdentures, milled dentures and more in the coming months. For those seeking a modern, digitally produced denture, we have our Printed Lucitone Dentures, renowned for superior strength, consistent high quality and precision fit. This option is available for full dentures, full immediates and duplicate dentures. If you prefer a traditional approach, our conventional acrylic options are crafted with precision by highly experienced technicians using the finest Enigma Life Plus teeth. This option is available for all our full and partial dentures, with the exception of duplicate dentures.
At Quoris3D, we believe that every successful case starts with clarity and alignment. So we've removed the guesswork by creating our Know Your Workflow system, a powerful clinician-first approach that maps out every step of the process before your case even begins. Using our unique, custom-built Workflow Finder tool, you'll know from the outset exactly what records are required for every step of your case, what to expect to receive, and how many appointments are required. This workflow first approach is designed to offer you a clear roadmap for every case and to ensure every case runs smoothly and efficiently.
Ready to get started with IMPACT Dentures? Cases can now be submitted via our easy-to-use online ordering portal, even if you're submitting conventional records. Or, if you prefer, you can download and print our lab docket to submit by post. For all the information on IMPACT Dentures, including how to get started, visit Quoris3D.com/impact.